The St. Catherine police say they are pursuing strong leads in relation to Sunday's mass shooting in Spring Village. That declaration was made by Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson as he announced plans to roll out additional resources in the crime-plagued St. Catherine South Division. Kelisha Williams has our report.
A team led by National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang and Police Commissioner Anthony Anderson walking through Spring Village, St. Catherine Wednesday morning. It came 3 days after 9 people were shot, 3 fatally, at a football match in the community. The tour was an attempt to reassure residents that the police will be doing all they can to bring the perpetrators to justice. Police Commissioner Anthony Anderson told a group of residents that the police are already following strong leads.
It's only a matter of time, and it won't be a long time before we will catch up these people.
For instance, we were told that one of the attackers was injured during the fracas and may have gone to seek treatment at a medical facility.
We're not able to find that person yet or, have any leads as to where, that person might be.
As the police hope for a breakthrough in the case, additional resources are being deployed to the parish to help control the bloodletting. Investigators have found that Sunday's conflict started in Spanish Town.
We all welcome the resources based on what is happening. It's just how we will deploy those resources now. Based on what is happening in St. Catherine South, we stick to the data, doing the data analysis to determine how we deploy the resources.
Representatives from Jamaica Broilers, the company which owns the sports complex where the shooting took place, were also part of the tour. They told our news team that they are working on plans to assist the relatives of the victims in their time of grief. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.